All right, you guys, so welcome back to part 2. This is my Afsister's wig installed. If you saw the part 1, you saw me doing all the customizing, the cutting, baby hairs, all of that good stuff. And so here I'm just showing you what the wig looked like, what I turned it into. I just did something simple. I cut it into a blunt cut and I gave like some messy buns at the top, and this is what she looks like on me. So it's giving very much bob, okay, just with some buns. And yeah, so the front of the hairline is still long. Okay, so I decided that I'm going to cut this a tad bit shorter because I'm looking for like a blunt cut. Maybe cut it to like right here. I'm looking for a blunt cut because I do want to do like a little cute space bump. So I'm just cut this much off. So I have my clippers right here, and I'm gonna just bunch it all together, and I'm going to make sure it's even, and I'm gonna cut this off. So yeah, so now it's a blunt cut. This is a little too long right here. So I just took some rubber bands and I'm just gonna part off some of the frontal. Now I don't know if I said, but this is a 13x6, I believe, because it is a lot of lace on this. This is a full frontal wig, okay? And so I'm gonna just rubber band it up, make it messy. I don't want anything too neat, you know. I'm just gonna do it this way. If you want it to be neat, you could go in with your pressing comb and your wax and your spritz and all of that stuff to make it super flat and neat and do your buns neatly. But I just wanted a messy hairstyle, and I take it and I wrap it around there, and then I'll go ahead and take some bobby pins and spread out the bun and just make it look, you know, messy. This is how I used to wear my hair when I was in my early 20s. Your girl is in her 30s now, but anyway. I'm gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. And after I do that, this is what she looked like on the mannequin. She is giving. Yes, she's giving. I love this. This will also look bomb in a one half up, half down too. Or just simply wearing it down. Like it's this hair is nice and it's super soft. All right, so ooh, trifling. Girl, look at these braids. I'm taking them down tonight because I need to get my hair rebraided. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some oil. This is African Pride. I love using this. As you can see, I have a lot of new growth. I faithfully use this oil. It has different oils in there, and it's just helping my hair do its thing. Okay, so this has got to be. I'm putting on my edges, and then after I put the got to be on my edges, I'm gonna take an edge brush and brush it on down so I can do my stocking cap method. So I like to cut my ears out of the stocking cap, and then I'm gonna use whatever spray of the day that I'm using. I actually need to go to the beauty supply. I ran out of all of my Red by Kiss spray, so I'm using Ebin. I'm not a big fan of the Ebin, but I still have full cans left, clearly, because I don't use them. So I use them for this install, and I don't mind using them right now because I am going to just go in, and after I take this wig off, wash my hair. So I do not suggest leaving Ebin spray on your hairline for long because it can dry out and it can break off your front of your hairline. And so you want to be careful when it comes to that particular spray, okay? So after it's dried, I cut off the excessive cap. I tie mine in the back. I did my makeup off camera, and I put makeup on the actual cap and on the, no, I didn't put nothing on the lace. I'm about to do the lace right now. And after I do the lace, I am going to adhere the wig down with the Ebin spray. So now that the lace is down, I'm going to just go ahead and cut off all the excessive lace and lay down my baby hairs with my spritz. On the beat. On the beat. And so to finalize it, I'm going to clip my hair up in the back, and I'm going to spray my entire hairline to make sure that all the lace is laying down correctly. And that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. Okay, I will have everything I use linked in the description box for you guys. And until next time, bye, best friends.